Dear students, welcome to this video. In the previous videos, we solved section B of the ICSE 10th Mathematics sample paper. So, 2 questions we solved and 2 more we need to solve. So, that one we can start with. So, the first question, 7th question we can do from section B. Okay, so question 7, what's given here? 7, option A, a line AB meets x-axis at point A, y-axis at B, point P4 minus 1 divides AB into 1 is in the ratio 1:2. Find the coordinates of A and B. Find the equation of line passing through P perpendicular to AB. So first of all, we need to calculate these coordinates of A and B. You can see A is on x-axis, therefore y coordinate is 0, and B is on y-axis, therefore its x coordinate is 0. So which one we need to calculate? So x coordinate of A and y coordinate of B. So using section formula, so we can say by section formula, what's section formula saying? Section formula saying its x coordinate is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So x coordinate, which one is this one? X coordinate is the x coordinate of the point which divides the line in the given ratio. That means P's coordinates are given here, is it? So that's given here. 4 is equal to m1 it's 1 into x2 it is 0 there, plus m2 it's here, m2 it is 2 into we can see it's x here divided by m1 plus m2. You can see 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 if we take to the other side, you will get 12 is equal to 2x, which implies x is equal to 6 here. X coordinate of, which one we got? A we got 6 here. Next B's y coordinate we need to calculate same way we can calculate here, is it? Y is equal to, we know that y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, but it's given m1 y1 it's given here minus 1, equal to 1 into y2 is what? 0 there. Sorry, y2 it is y here, and plus m2 it's 2 here, and y1 it's 0, divided by again 1 plus 2. So we can see which is equal to 1 plus 2 is 2, 2 into minus 1 it's minus 3. Is it 2 into 2 plus 1 it is 3, 3 into minus 1 become minus 3, 1 into y become y. So we can say implies y is equal to 3 into minus 1 become minus 3. So x coordinates of A and B we got. Now we can write that one. Coordinates of A and B. Coordinates of A is 6 0 and B is which one? 0 minus 3. So that one over. Next question, it is not completed. Is it? One more question is there. Find the equation of line P passing through P and perpendicular to AB. The condition for perpendicularity, we know that slope of both these lines product it is minus 1. So we can write that one. Is it? So we can first find out the slope of AB. We know the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 we can write that one. Yes, here it is getting minus 3 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 6. That means minus 3 divided by minus 6 become 1 by 2. This is we can take as say m1. So let that one, is it that slope of line perpendicular to AB passing through P, which we can take and say m2. Correct? How we can take that one? So that should be m2. M2 we can know that m1 into m2. M1 into m2 equal to minus 1, is it? M1 into m2, both this product we will get minus 1. So 1 by 2 m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore m2 is equal to minus 2. So slope we got minus 2. Then equation of line, how we can write equation of line? Equation of line, therefore equation of line. Which line? Perpendicular to? Yeah, perpendicular to AB passing through P. Is it? Which is equal to what we can say, which is, yeah, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, isn't it? So substituting the values, here where you will get y minus, I am writing here only, okay, y minus y1 is here minus 1, is it? And equal to, slope it's getting minus 2 here, into x minus 4 there. So we can say y plus 1 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. So taking this, both all this to the other side, you will get 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 is the required line. Equation of line. So that's our understood well. Let us check the next question here. Question 7, option B. Prove that cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. So let us start from LHS here. LHS, yeah, which is cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. Now look here, cosec theta we can written as 1 by sin theta. Is it? 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. The same sec theta we can written as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. And then tan theta here, tan theta plus cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta, or opposite also we can take. Is it? Tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. Then don't change cot theta there. Okay. So this is one we can written as, so taking LCM you will get 1 minus sin theta into sin theta becomes sin square theta in the numerator, divided by sin theta into the same here 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta into this become tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan theta. Now look here. So you can see 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. We know the identity. 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So using that 1 minus sin square theta become cos square theta divided by sin theta already there. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta. Sit sin square theta by cos square theta. So into tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. Sit sec square theta divided by tan theta here. So tan theta also can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So I am changing here itself. So that also we can written as in terms of sin theta by cos theta. So this cos theta will goes to the numerator. Sec square theta also we can change. Is it? So cos square theta is getting here. This is not cos square theta. It's only sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. So 1 cos square theta, 1 sin square theta, both in the numerator and denominator get divided. Remaining words we can write here. Remaining it is cos theta into sin theta, and sec square theta can be written as, and this becomes sec square theta into what we can say 1 by tan theta become 1 by tan theta is cot theta. That means cos theta by sin theta. Is it? Or we should take 1 by sin theta by cos theta. It become 1 by sin theta by cos theta become cos theta by sin theta. Inverse. Is it? So again you can see here cos theta, it's sin theta divided by sin theta gone. So cos theta into cos theta become cos square theta into sec square theta equal to 1. Why? Because sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 by cos square theta, you will get 1. So hence we proved this one. See? So That is equal to RHS. Yes. Let's start with this last option here in the question 7. In this given figure, O is the center and angle DA is, which one? This angle it is given here, 70 degree. So this angle it is 70 degree. That you can find out this angle. So we can write that one. Yeah, angle DAE plus angle DAB equal to 180 because they are linear pair. Is it? So we can write angle DAB equal to 180 minus 70, right? Equal to 110 degree. Is it? So this one over this is 110 degree. You can see ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, what we can say, angle BCD, that is the first one, correct? BCD plus angle DAB equal to 180. We can write that one. Yeah, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. So both of these are supplementary, we know that. So one angle B already got, the other one we can calculate. BCD equal to 180 minus 110. So again getting 70 degree. So this is equal to 70 degree we got. This one it is 70 degree. This is double of that one because the theorem we know that angle subtended by an arc at the center, it is double the angle subtended at the remaining part of the circle. So we can write that one BCD we got. Therefore angle BO, yeah, we can write here the second part which is angle BOD, angle BOD equal to 2 times angle BCD, see, equal to 140 degree. The reason, yeah, the reason we can write here, angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at remaining part of the circle. So we got this one also. Now the last one we need to do, that is OBD. Which one? This angle. So in this triangle you can see both these sides are equal, both these angles are equal. So we can take x plus angle BOD equal to 180. So we can write that one. Yes, in triangle BOD we have angle BOD plus angle OBD plus angle ODB equal to 180. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. So you know this one, both these are also equal, is it? We can write here angle BOD, it's already given calculated, that is 140 here. So we can write 140 plus 2 times angle BOD become 2 times x equal to 180, isn't it? We taken both that angles are equal, angles opposite to equal and sides are equal, see? So we got 2x is equal to 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40 degree. So x we got equal to 40 divided by 2 equal to 20 degree. So last angle, which one we got? Angle BOBD equal to 20 degree. Thus we solved all these. We will do the next question in the next video. So continue watching the videos, all the series, and at the end we can check how much time we taken. Okay.